Hi and welcome to this instructional video. In this video I'm going to show you how to send items on a CRO for repair. Navigate to Workshop, External Customer Repair Orders, then to Send for Repair. Enter or select the appropriate CRO number in the CRO number text box. Enter the appropriate priority status in the priority text box. Enter or select the supplier account in the supplier account text box. Select the appropriate item by clicking on it. Enter Y in the Send column. Click the Accept button to save the changes. Print the supporting documentation by specifying the print options and clicking the OK button, or click the Cancel button to close the window. And that's how you send items on a CRO for repair. Thank you for watching and happy accounting.